Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team I am here. Today's our topic is education system in Bangladesh. Education in Bangladesh overseen by the Bangladesh Minister of Education, Minister of Primary and Mass Education are responsible for implementing policy for primary education and state funded school at a local level. In Bangladesh, all citizens must undertake the 12 year of compulsory education, which consists of 8 year at primary school level and 6 year at high school level. And primary and secondary education is financed by the state and free of charge in public schools. Bangladesh confirmed fully in the United Nations on education for all objectives and Millennium Development Goals, as well as other education related international declaration. Article 17 of the Bangladesh Constitution provides that all the children receive free and compulsory education. Education system. Bangladesh system. A Bangladesh education system chart. The main education system is divided into three levels: primary level class 1 to 8, secondary level 9 to 12. There is no middle school system in Bangladesh. Tertiary level. At all levels of schooling, students can choose to receive their education in English or Bangla. Private schools tend to make use of the English-based study media, while government-sponsored schools use Bangla. Cadet in a classroom. Colleges are important in the education system of Bangladesh. A cadet college is a room and board collegiate administered by the Bangladesh military. Discipline is compulsory at all cadet colleges. Fuj Darhat Cadet College is the first cadet college in the Bangladesh, established in 1958 over an area of 185 acres. At Fuj Darhat is in the district of Chittagong. At present, there are 12 cadet colleges in the Bangladesh, including 3 cadet colleges for girls. As of September 2019, tertiary education in Bangladesh takes place at 44 governments, 101 private, and 3 international universities. Students can choose to further their studies in chartered accountancy, engineering, technology, agriculture, and medicine at a variety of universities and colleges. Primary education. The overall responsibilities of management of primary education lies with the Ministry of Primary and Mass Education, set up as a ministry in 1992, while MOP is involved in the formulation of policies. The responsibilities of implementation rests with the Directorate of the Primary Education, headed by the Director General. The Directorate of the Primary Education and its subordinate offices in the district and Upzila and the solely responsible for the management and supervision of the primary education. Their subordinate offices, their responsibilities include recruitment, posting and transfer of the teacher and other staff, arranging in services, training of the teachers, distribution of free textbook, and service supervision of the school. The responsibilities of school construction, repair, supply of school furniture lie with the DPE, executed through the local government engineering department. The National Curriculum Textbook Board is responsible for the development of curriculum and production of textbook, while the Ministry of Education is responsible for the formulation of policies, and Directorate of Secondary and Higher Education under the Ministry of Education is responsible for the implementation, the same as at secondary and higher education levels. The NCTB is responsible for the developing curriculum and the publishing standard textbook. The Directorate of the Primary Education are responsible for the conducting the 2 public examination: primary education certificate, 5th grade, junior school certificate, JSC 8th grade. Secondary education. The secondary level of education is controlled by the 8th General Education Board, the Barsar Education Board for Barsar Division, Chittagong Education Board for Chittagong Division, Komalia Education Board for Komalia Division, Dhaka Education Board for Dhaka Division, Dani Jaipur Education Board for the Rangpur Division, Jaisur Education Board for the Kulana Division, Manish Singh Education Board for the Manish Singh Division, Rajeshai Education Board for the Rajeshai Division, Sial Het Education Board for the Sial Division. The board headquarters are located in the Varshai, Komalia, Chittagong, Dhaka, Dinajpur, Jaisuri, Rajeshai, and Sialhet. 8 region-based board of the intermediate and secondary education are responsible for the conducting the two public examinations. The secondary education certificates 10th grade, higher secondary certificate 12th grade at the second level. In the case of the non-government secondary schools, school management committees, and at the intermediate college level, in the case of non-government college governing bodies formed as upper government directors are responsible for the mobilizing resources, approving budgets, controlling expenditures, and appointing disciplining staff, while teaching of the non-government secondary schools are recruiting by the concerned SMCs. So, observing relevant government rules, teachers of the government secondary schools are required centrally by the DSHE through a competitive examination. In government secondary schools, there is not a SMC. The headmaster is solely responsible for running the school and its supervision by the deputy director of the respective zone. Parents teachers association, however, exists to ensure a better teaching and learning environments.